Hey guys, it is Escape the Matrix here, and today we're going to be talking about some trades here for the week, some potentials. So here I've got my trading journal opened up. This I've been doing for like the past month, and so far it's gone pretty well, following some basic support resistance strategy. Um, so yeah, so let's get a look into this. So basically, the way I structured my journal is just a symbol. I'll scroll up. The indexes, which are just the dollar indexes for the pairs, and the entry and the exit, and I've also included after exit, which I fill in sometimes. It's a good way to, keep yourself accountable and understand what's happening with the market. I mean, because every time you enter, you want to be able to log that. Every time you exit, why'd you exit? And then the after exit is kind of cool because you get to know whether you exited at a good point or if you missed out. So that is also it's kind of like an entry as well when you're exiting. So you got to take a look at what happens afterwards. So um, for this week, I've been trying to get into a GUSD trade. I've actually just closed one out, a GUSD short trade, so we can take a look at what was happening here. So as we can see here, this is the Great British Pound Index when I entered this trade, and it looks like it was at some potential resistance zone. If not, it would come up more and hit a resistance. And the USD was looking pretty good to be at a support zone. So with that, the USD expected to go up, the GBP expected to go down. We can see that that would be a short trade. So basically, if you want to, use indexes to work with your Forex trading, you'd have to realize that it works like a fraction, okay? Just a basic fraction, if you got GPB over USD, oh god, I can't ignore that, USD, and if the GPB goes down and the USD goes up, okay, you can see that if the fraction on the top, the numerator goes down and this goes up, the value goes down. So that's how you'd calculate that for if you want to use indexes to help your Forex trading. They're nice because they're accumulation of all the different pairs that go into a chart like the GUSD. So in my eyes, it's kind of like looking at multiple charts at the same time. So you get more of a better market outlook for the overall trends of the currency pair. So anyways, we'll get into what trades we're looking for this week, which if we go over to TradingView, we're still looking for this GUSD short. Now, if you look at the index for the dollar right now, I like to look at it on the 4-hour. If you look at it on the daily or the 4-hour, I suggest either time frames you want it to be, zoomed out enough, in my opinion, so that you can overcome things like spread and have a good sense of overall market trend. Let's see. So you see, for me right now, it's right here in the middle of two potential support resistance zones. So it's not so clear as to where it wants to go. I can see that it's been moving down, and therefore it might actually have good potential to move down even more. But with this, kind of spring action here, it is not so clear to me. So that's one of the reasons we've exited our GUSD trade. Okay, enough of that. So, and this is, the GBP, the Great British Pound Index. And you can see that it's come up on a bit of a support here. Anyways, I should mention that the indicator that gives me these order blocks are the Smart Money Concepts Lux Algo Indicator. It's been working pretty well. Gives you, all this stuff, but, you can basically should be able to identify these zones with or without the order block, but it's nice to have. So we can see that it's kind of like a break retest pattern here, and I'm thinking that it's going to come back up further in the zone. So with that being said, we're waiting for the GSC to move up further into this zone to the 1.24 resistance area. And we will potentially re-enter the trade with a better, risk reward ratio, better profit loss. So basically just close it out and we'll see how it reacts once it will get up to this zone. We have an alert set here. And yeah, so we can take a look at any other potential trades for the week, but I'm not really sure I've seen anything that I like, so that's the dollar. I already went over that. The euro could be potentially bullish here, I think. A little bit of a break retest, probably go up to this top resistance. GBP again, so JPY looks like overall bullish, but we're not at a clear support zone. Canadian dollar is pretty unclear. Could break this, go down, could come back up, not sure. CHIF, so CHIF looks like it could go back up to here, this very strong resistance zone. This would be a good short position for the CHIF if we can get back up to this zone where it's touched twice and see how it reacts, and then we'll see if it would be a good short. Either that or, it's not, you have to look at market context when it hits support or resistance, because it's not clear that this will bounce or if it will break and retest up to the top. And these aren't very clear as well, so that is about it. So basically one trade we're looking for this week, maybe some CHEF action as well. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll probably be creating a free trading group to support with my signals. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.